अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक साइड डिश, काबुली चना और बीटरूट का एक पोरियल, तोरन भी बोल सकते हैं उसे। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। इंग्रेडिएंट्स एज ऑलवेज मेंशन्ड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। तो सब रेडी रखिए, शुरू करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू बॉईल द काबुली चना एंड द बीटरूट टुगेदर। तो काबुली चने को आई हैव टेकन 1 cup ऑफ काबुली चना। आई हैव वॉश्ड इट एंड सोक्ड इट ओवरनाइट। इसको प्रेशर कुकर में ऐड करिए। साथ में ऐड 1 बीटरूट चॉप्ड, 1 cup of water and half a teaspoon of salt. Cover and pressure cook for 2 whistles. While the beetroot and the Kabuli chana is cooking, let's grind a few things very coarsely. I've taken half a cup of coconut, grated coconut, half teaspoon zeera, 3 to 4 shallots and 2 green chillies. Grind coarsely without adding any water and keep it aside. Now let's check on the pressure cooker. Once 2 whistles are done, let the pressure cool down on its own. Open. There will definitely be at least a cup of water left. If you want this to be a gravy, you can leave it as it is. But I want the beetroot and Kabuli chana poriyal to be very dry. So I am drying up all the water. So once that is done, beetroot and Kabuli chana part is over. Now let's keep a mud pot. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few curry leaves. Also add 1 small onion finely sliced or chopped. Fry till golden brown. Add the boiled beetroot and chana. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Then add the mix of coarsely ground coconut, zeera, green chilli and small onion mix. Saute for a minute or so till the raw smell of the coconut goes. Check for salt and if necessary add another half a teaspoon more. Switch off the flame and that's it. Kabuli chana and beetroot poriyal is now ready. You can have it as a side dish or with chapatis as well. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always in the description box. Thank you for watching.